In just about 4 hours, a rocket is set to take off carrying the first ever mission to touch the sun. It sounds really neat. It's called the Parker Solar Probe. It's a mission that's nearly 60 years in the making and will make history while protecting items we use every day from the sun. Sawyer Rosenstein has more from the Kennedy Space Center.
Behind me right now is the Delta IV Heavy rocket, and on the very top of it is the Parker Solar Probe that will be carrying humankind's closest ever spacecraft to the sun. The mission will get to within 4 million miles of the sun. That's 10 times closer than Mercury. However, it's going into a dangerous part of space, and they had to get creative making something that won't burn up.
This particular technology isn't going to be burnt off either, but it's designed to withstand that enormous heat.
The main goal of the mission is to study solar wind. Just like we have winds and storms here on Earth, the sun shoots out particles into space. Our magnetic field helps protect us, but sometimes there are solar flares where large amounts of these harmful particles get shot into space. This spacecraft will help predict these events and allow for satellites to be moved in time. The mission is also the first mission to any star and can help us understand our place in the universe.
So what I really want is not just to sit at one point, but the journey there and the journey back.
This mission also making history because it is the first mission that is named after a living person, Dr. Eugene Parker, who helped discover these solar winds. But right now, the rocket and the spacecraft are all ready to go. In Cape Canaveral, Sawyer Rosenstein, WCTV, Eyewitness News.
That's some really interesting stuff, and Sawyer laid it out in a way that all of us can understand, even me. Liftoff set for 3:33 in the morning. Sawyer tells us so far everything is on track for launch. Very cool. All right.